Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. G and I have some non-standard unit of measurement ideas for you. And so let's start with footstep measuring. So if you're at home, you can do this as well at school. If you're at home, some ideas to measure might be the length of your bedroom or the length of the hallway, or you might go outside and do the length of the driveway or the backyard. And you want to make sure that you step and then you do the very next one end to end so there's no distances between them. And then you might grab a family member or a friend and have them do the same thing. And then you might compare the step lengths. Did you get the same amount? All right, so if you have paper clips, you can do this one and you will grab them. You can even chain them together as you go. But if you're going to use paper clips, it would be wiser to measure things in shorter distances. So you might do things like a book or a desk or a bookshelf or a coffee table. All right, you can also grab the crayons and lay those end to end as you go and count those out. See how many you get. You might estimate before you even begin. How many crayons do you think it would take? All right, same with your Legos. You can grab those at school or at home, and you can build them up higher as you go, or you can lay those end to end as well and count how many that you come up with. All right, now handful estimating. Now this, you could do the capacity of different containers like cups and bowls. So you want to use a handful of materials like beads or pasta or beans, and then you want to fill that container and then count how many handfuls it took. And this is something you could estimate before you start as well. All right, and body part measuring. This is the last one I have. So you could do the length of your arm. When you're measuring the length of a room, how many arm lengths would it take? And then how many hand spans, so the length of your hand. If you're doing a bookshelf, how many did it take to go across? And the same with your feet. And you can grab a partner or a family member or a classmate and have them use the same thing on themselves and see, did you get the same thing? I hope this helps, and I hope you have fun doing this at home or at school. See you next time.